Hello everyone, this is Nandini. Welcome to our online class and YouTube channel of Vishwakarma Competitive Point. Today we are going to discuss about the current affairs from 11th July to 20th July. I hope you all see this video completely and till to the end. Let us start the discussion. Current affairs. First of all, we all discuss about the day and date. 11th July, that is World Population Day. It was established in 1989 by Governing Council of United Nations Development Programme, that is UNDP. The focus of World Population Day 2020 is peace in the home, safeguarding the health and rights of women and girls during COVID-19. 12th July, that is Malala Day, the birthday of Malala Yousafzai, who is a women education activist from Pakistan, and she got Nobel Prize for Peace in 2014. Also, the 12th July celebrated for Paper Bag Day. Paper Bag Day spread the awareness about using paper bag instead of plastic, because plastic is hazardous for our environment. 13th July, that is Bhanu Jayanti, 206th birthday of Bhanu Bhakta Acharya, who belongs from Nepal, and he translates Ramayana from Sanskrit to Nepali. ସବୁ ବର୍ଷ ନେପାଳରେ ଭାନୁ ଜୟନ୍ତୀ ପାଳନ କରାଯାଉଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ 2020ରେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସିକିମରେ ଭାନୁ ଜୟନ୍ତୀ ପାଳନ କରାଯାଇଛି। ସିକିମର ସିଏମ୍ ପ୍ରେମ ସିଂ ତୋମାଙ୍ଗ, ସିକିମର କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଅଫ୍ ସିକିମ ଇଜ୍ ଗ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗଟକ୍ and governor is Ganga Prasad. 14th July, Bastille Day, which is French National Day. Bastille Day celebrated from 1789. 15th July, World Youth Skills Day. The theme of Youth Skills Day is Skills for a Resilient Youth. 17th July, that is World Emoji Day. It is used to promote the uses of emojis. 17th July, that is World Day for International Justice. It is also known as Day of International Criminal Justice. 18th July, that is Nelson Mandela International Day. Nelson Mandela, one of the president of South Africa, and this day is observed as a global call to action that celebrates the idea every individual has the power to transform the world. या अर्थ होची विश्व रे परिवर्तन आनिबार क्षमता प्रत्येक व्यक्ति विशेषଙ୍କ पाखरे अछि। यह नेल्सन मंडेला कहिथिले। से 1993 रे नोबेल पीस प्राइज पाइचंती एवं इंडिया रा हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड भारत रत्न 1990 रे पाइचंती वर्ण वैषम्य नीति विरोध रे कैंपेन करिकी, एवं साउथ अफ्रीका रे रेसिज्म अगेंस्ट रे से स्ट्रगल करिचंती। 20th July, that is Space Exploration Day. Space Exploration Day celebrated to mark the anniversary of man's first historic landing on moon. चंद्र रे प्रथम थर पाई मानव अवतरण को मने रखिबा पाई 20th जुलाई को स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन डे रूपे पालन करा जाए। प्रथम थर पाई 1969 रे नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग, एडविन बुच प्रथम थर पाई चंद्र रे अवतरण करिथिले। नेक्स्ट कम टू द नेशनल न्यूज। असीम, दैट इज आत्मनिर्भर स्किल्ड एम्प्लॉय एम्प्लॉयर मैपिंग, ए डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म लॉन्च्ड बाय MSDE, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. The current minister is Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey and Minister of State is Rajkumar Singh. This is a mobile application for the skilled workforce. It was developed and managed by the National Skill Development Corporation, that is NSDC. ISRO to launch Brazil's Amazonia 1 satellite. Amazonia-1 satellite for monitoring and observing the deforestation of the Amazon region. Amazon region रे जंगल क्षय होची ता अबाउट रे इन्फॉर्मेशन दबा पाई इसरो Amazonia-1 सैटेलाइट लॉन्च करची जहा कि ब्राजील रे तयारी हेची. इसरो डायरेक्टर के शिवन, इसरो हेडक्वार्टर बेंगलुरु. It is formation 1969. Brazil's president Jair Bolsonaro, Brazil's capital Brasilia, and the coin is currency Brazilian real. Flipkart tie up with Karnataka government to promote art and craft. Flipkart Karnataka government सहित MOU साइन करिछि कर्नाटकर हैंडलूम सेक्टर को डेवलप करिया पाई. CM of Karnataka is B.S. Yedurappa and Flipkart CEO is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Owner of Flipkart is Walmart. Karnataka governor is Bajubhai Bhalo. ATL app development module launched by Niti Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission. By this application to sharpen the skills of school students. CEO of Niti Aayog Amitabh Kant. Full form of Niti Aayog is National Institute of Transforming India. Chhattisgarh government organized India's first e-Lok Adalat. CM of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel and governor is Anandiben Patel. First mega food park of Mizoram inaugurated by Food Processing Minister Harshmit Kaur Badar. Capital is Aizawl and CM is P.U. Zoramthanga. PM Swanidhi app, which is specialized for street vendors, and it is a special micro credit facility for street vendors. Objective of PM Swanidhi app is to facilitate working capital up to 10,000 term loan for 1 year and incentivize regular or early repayment of loan with 7% interest subsidy and reward digital transactions with monthly cashback. Madhya Pradesh tops in implementation of PM Swanidhi. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Transgender be included in Madhu Babu pension scheme. This scheme first inaugurated in Odisha in 2008. Let's start the international news. 15th meeting of India European Union Summit held in virtual mode due to COVID-19. In July 15, it was represented by Indian PM Narendra Modi. India became second largest foreign investor in UK, United Kingdom. Let's discuss about the defense. Boeing India delivers 5 AH-64E Apache attack helicopter and 15 CH-47F1 Chinook heavy lift helicopter to Indian Air Force, that is IAF. The Chief of Indian Air Force is Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria, that is RKS Bhadoria. Let's miscellaneous. Kejang D. Thonglok beg Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Thonglok is a filmmaker from Arunachal Pradesh. India ranks third in global manufacturing risk index, in which China acquired first and US acquired second position. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, an illustrated biography, authored by Tenzin Gyatso Tethang. Dalai Lama. Dalai Lamas are Tibetan Buddhism monk heads, and he is 14th Dalai Lama. NTPC wins CII-ITC Sustainability Award 2019. NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, win the Sustainability Award 2019. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the like icon and subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.